Isiphetheleni ma timing yakwazi.
Yeah.
Masheta kanje asho ukuthi uphathe izingozi uadvocate but
because ayinele mahala.
Keep amagwame yakhe asibethe umthetho
I
for
know
mahala.
you look pretty shame.
Ngoshayile.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngibukeka njengenkosi ngathi ushaka.
Nice.
About Sharene,
Yeah.
saying that I'm not happy about him, man. They just like had a baby and then he had to go to prison and
He was there before the baby was good.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
the thing. So now the poor girl has to raise the baby and go to court cases so far. It's not nice, man. It's
Yeah,
not
we
nice.
mara sure hembe itlo. Embe.
Oh no.
Yo sola lestachi.
I can re-raise it. Now that she won, and then I had to go out and celebrate.
Oh, I saw you.
Yeah, I had to go out and celebrate the win because you know, we guys, you guys,
Because
you
you're
know,
all
like,
on.
let's get style and fun. The natural her
Yo.
shoot me. Izandla zingibulale ngiyamatsiba ola
Go
uqhwele.
fight with your mama.
I know there's this other one who uqhwele uTswani yoshela ka event yo hloka skull ubhizi unamanga utlo go wena obulaya ke nna. This is my natural hair.
At least don't know le meriri. Yo.
Yeah.
Asiqhubekele ne ba le ko funeraleng and then baba jileng I think ba jile poison cause for 6 issue and then 70 of them ba go hospital. Hey,
Le gole go kae? Limpopo kae?
ga ba re ke ga maja to wa le go le yona place ga maja ba jele ga maja
Ba ja kudu.
angazi maybe fall there and then ukuza disappearing le case le ubhadale detective 5 million so le mali lezi iphumile kule statement salo muntu la umsendele imali so naye bayevusa le case le ya
Mara lo 5 million usile lo ngcono lo 10
No ba kere le puna. Ba le beile pele. In each and everything that they're doing, guys. Like re thomile re how the way. Hey no. No. Asika se rupe, asika se rupe. Always like, if I don't understand what the fuck you guys are saying, or if all the time with that fucking no, the fact that you're fucking explaining and you can all see that I don't fucking care, because now I'm fucking lost with the fucking everything, and all the time when I am fucking lost, you guys together with the fucking people who are always nagging on me being lost, because no, I don't understand. Who's that?
milenya again now
Yeah.
not that
Yeah.
Mara.
Hi, bro. You one of those people. Yeah, there's a people.
You hear me from here?
No.
From here.
Yeah.
Here, just
Yeah. Wabona ka mkhobelang no. Kumele kube njalo.
wa bona le nna o go veile kae
Bana ba bonga ba ratu suna
Okay.
loje. Ke se ba se boneng. So please respect them. Matami, today ke dutse
bona
sha.
se yakuza
Ngihlele kahle namhlanje.
yeah
Okay. All right.
Ya phashash.
Masizo wena.
phashasha
Masizo wena.
Wanetwa mse. Awunetwa.
Yeah, nyakuto.
Okay.
oh phekera o mothi o le kutweni
No, I can hear him now.
Hayi mengiphumela inini namhla angagcoka ngijeza ne.
angithi ufuna ukubabonisa ukuthi ubuya kuma interview
Uhambe njani mara?
Ngithe mangifika lapha ne.
Yeah.
ngathola enye queue ende
Labo-
eshale ngaphandle kwegate le
ya batho na kuthiwa be-ready
eish and
lejejitia
kuyabanda
Oh, no, Donya. at
at
least
and ngithe mangifika ngihamba lapha ne
ya
ngacabanga leya line leya
ya
mara ngathi eish ngengijike
ya
ngiyazi lento engiyifunayo
true that
ngihamba lapha yabo
amen
ngihamba but the malahamba le line ne lahamba le line la ngene egate yabona the mangibheke emuva still le line sashale emuva le yabona
la ubheka khona Alright.
yabona ngihamba lahamba le line
ilanga likuphi ngaleso sikhathi
kuyabanda
the time is not moving
ne time yahamba ngithi
okay
1 minute lehamba le line
wayikwishisha hence ke nyoko kushala ka nako
angithi lide yabona so lahamba lafika eminyango yabona
finally
final
yeah
ngithe mangifika eminyango unfortunately bathi kwamele bakhathe lakini
jwang volume la straight komnyango
iminyango and bekuyimi uqala iminyango
labuya
Athi kuye
lahamba
kusasa.
lavele emuva le line
bathi ubuye nini
kusasa
mara lojo sunday le ka usana ngabe ki usky badlala ka wena ngikusiza
cabanga
bazokhatha
ugcokele isheti leli ngisho yilo lithembile kusasa yoya ngani yoshayela
Really
yelo
interview or
manje
really audition?
kasandi mara nikile kereke
Ay, para luego, para.
mara
Thank you for my timing. We back, we better, we back.
Ay,
Let's do this, guys.
what a waste of time.
That's my timing for you. Come on now, Walemaka, guys. Mbiza namhlanje.
Ufike izolo
So,
imagine
ucabanga-
uyitshintshile
What? It's been a while.
ko wena bolela role gafa for sure ke uyitshintshile nona re tsoro uyitshintshile for wena.
Let's do this. I can't wait to hear this one. Trumpet. All right, we back. Hello, my people. It's again Lady D Dawson, but you can call me D. Let's make a look. I can't wait.
Hey, ha.
vari nzambi mayambala ndzumba xidzuvani
Yeah.
manyika imbita xichava ku phama
Yeah.
xidzuvani xidzuvani maraka xona vamakwerhu this is
Yeah.
your boy Mathaming indoda oyibiza namhla ayifike kusasa
Yeah.
umalimi indima angacedi hayi asibonge
Thank you.
Aye.
No, he came. Oh, David, this time around. Oh, make sure you know this.
Orofika kusasa no. Eyofika izolo ebona reka sikhonela.
Ikasibonakale ne. Mara kuri nangepati kaMandela ngeke ufike namhlanje.
Imagine.
You wouldn't.
Nana le ka ba re ke.
At least it makes sense though. Then is on.
Yeah, at least
Yeah.
nana le
Yeah.
nyatsi ubitsa iruze kusasa indoda yamayikho wena ufika izolo imagine.
wabona
Ah,
ya
timing.
le teng ne ke nahanela language ya batho gore ke language ya batho so I make sense
Oh.
gore ngibiza namhla ngifika izolo ke language ya batho so mzulu angikwa ke bulela ntweo o re ya fa ntweo wabona
Oh, manje soya
Uri ndi ya afa ntweo,
Eh,
ro afa wena.
Yeah. At least soya bahlonipha hlonipha amazulu. Abasaja mara wa bana no. Guys, he would know the statement iyanhlonipha. Azi a change for mina. You guys are so important.
ngiyabahlonipha kodwa iqiniso iqiniso ashintshi
Isali di chest kamara slice abrotho mara wa bana.
Yena una proof.
Le no.
Mara iqindezele lento le bazokudubula amazulu ngiyakutshela
no
mina.
lento le ayenzo amazulu iyenzwa eKZN abantu abadayisa
Kudayisana
Uri kusho
wabana
moko kwezethu nyoko. Manje ke lena ko bana ke rena all over. Onyaka batho thoma ba re ke lena le le leng cause you guys are all over le shabisa all over. You know what, let us do it. Ari tlogele ari felle fala modimo. Ari felle fala modimo re ko rena.
Aye na kana na madi abana ba sipile ga tšama pula na masakha tša pisi kana na boy ke makale pheko se se go nka ga se go kisha ke nna ngwana tša gala ka molena ba tepe sa mtša ke ke mara pa tšhuku ja ka peo ka pitšete ya ke tšhabedi ke no ba ke compana ko.
Wow. Yo, it's been a while Kisimo. I feel like he's been singing it. Kuri no make sure we cross le bo mama ba dira ganyane. He's here for you guys. Wara, when you are multi. You are multi.
Multi-talented.
Apho fa jore bo mokele.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Awusho yiki. Awizwanga.
Ngihlezi ngumtshela ukuthi kwamela produce.
Producer no correct after Sunday one.
Angithi
Utlotitiyelo
Ah,
yona. Uditiya ka mokali no.
Oh,
uyazo bathi umulti uzo vocal.
Nale ngizwa ngana ngithi ukuthi ngemali.
Hi guys, let me tell you something. Our ghost, beautiful, pretty ghost and happy ghost. It's a Ubugine Malabane is
Hi
back.
guys, I'm
Hi,
back.
baby.
It's your girl, pretty girls, the happiest ghost you'll never see.
Yeah. Welcome
Period.
back.
You will never see but here.
Yeah.
You will never see but here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while.
Yo.
All of us. It's
For
been
sure,
a
people were
while.
thinking, Lord, maybe like give up because the comment di ba fikhetse ba kry rai ba shie ba le so can't die nah but they are here
No, guys, the thing is, we've been sick. There's this flu pandemic that is going on. It's literally treating us like corona. I'm not sure if it was corona.
Oh,
but
what? True
Yo.
that.
Ska ba lo re a boya yes
And remember,
Yo.
we are just waking. To truth be told, sivuka noma singafuni. And then now ra foster, ra lwela, asiphumuli. You know, when you have one time alone, ne? You have a lot of things to do that one day. Like you need to have time alone. You need to have time with a certain person. You need to do laundry. You need to, like we hardly have time. And then when you have that one time with a certain person, le no little off. Sagrepa. We grab the opportunity. So I see in whoa, no, we are here. We definitely are here. We coming back every day stronger. We're growing, and yeah, we still wanna amaze you and surprise you with a lot of stuff. Thanks.
yeah welcome back guys.
But I'm so excited
because
because and I'm happy. I don't know about you.
we're also excited no but probably late otherwise we're excited that we are here Obon.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think
okay,
look at about
wow.
lady. It's something
Yeah.
that we need to talk about that and deal with that because there's some people who are eating like it's spoiled bread.
Yeah, we're gonna talk about that on the meeting. Especially in my timing yakwazi.
Yeah.
Mosha masheta kanje asho ukuthi uphathe izingozi uadvocate
Because I know mahal.
Keep amagwame yakhe asibethe
I
umthetho for
know
mahala.
you look pretty, Shem.
Ngoshayile.
Ngathi
Yeah.
ngibukeka njengenkosi
Nakona.
ngathi ushaka.
Nice.
Hey.
Wasanela.
Thank you.
I'm being honest, you look so pretty, Shem.
No, thank you.
Yeah.
And keep that smile. Alright, most wenze kanje. Where's Melita? What the loga? Melita is so small thing. Usiphathele njaya.
Do you know Dr. Nkosi?
Angikwazi nokukuzwa manje. Okay.
Miyangizwa?
Yeah, manje.
Miyazwakala?
Yeah, manje mizwakala mebheda manje.
Ithi
Mikhome, yeah.
misondezi
Mikisi.
mincaphuza inyana yabo.
Yeah.
Mwah.
Yeah, thank you. One.
Yeah, miyamazi Dr. Nkosi. Yeah, Dr. Siyabonga Nkosi. Lo se lo waskema Eskom. Waskema mali Eskom.
Ekhuluma kahle. Wekela abantu bangada.
I think it's skimmed around like millions.
Yeah. Usiyabonga Nkosi.
Ulo thatha imali ethu permanent. Mama Slekwi. Nya kisibuza. Ngiyabuza.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Yes, it's him.
No, maybe angazi
Okay.
allegedly. I'm talking about Siyabonga Nkosi who lo on a apartment I-17 allegedly. Ne moto
Izingaki.
ungabuzi ukuthi ezingakho uthi uhamba ngani.
Uhamba ngani? Uhamba ngani?
Nkosi yami.
Oh.
Posh.
Listen.
Cabanga i-1 ne?
Yeah.
Cabanga ayikho i-1 ne? But i-1 i-Porsche ne?
Yeah.
Cabanga i-Porsche i-1 imalini.
Mali.
Sicabange manje.
Style.
Uyeza. Uyamazi makasacabanga lamanga wakho yenzana ngisho.
Ucabanga.
Malini.
No, mina bengitshela ngosiyabonga Nkosi lo
Yeah.
oskemi Eskom imali sicabanga ukuthi mhlambe nithi abo Ramaphosa.
Kanti
It's
asasitsheli
the
i-
same
price
thing.
yephotho.
No,
Oh.
angithi nithi
Okay,
amanga
my
kanti wayengomle
Hawu.
kuqhubeka kusasamanga.
Usukuyisa umoya kanti.
No,
Okay,
wayengomle
iqiniso
kuqhubeka
ke.
kusasamanga.
Iqiniso.
Go say something.
Yeah. So allegedly, it's the same Sibanga who has been
Kosti. Dula sharp.
providing-
Which one?
Ubulele, yeah.
It's one. It's
You're
one.
shaking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So allegedly, it's the same Sibanga who has been providing and maintaining lifestyle here this Lake Kingdom of South.
Uyayibona?
So Sibanga has been allegedly he bought a 10 million
Allegedly.
house for Sisisayan.
Yeah. A 10 million house.
A 10 million house for Sisisayan. He's been maintaining Mawu's life with the cars and everything. And also buying Sisisayan's car. He's currently dating Nakwida. Allegedly, he's a good internet.
I think we're not talking about the same.
It's the same person, I'm telling you.
You are talking about Kagiso Lerutla.
I don't know who's the.
Yeah, you are talking about Kagiso Lerutla. I'm talking about Siyabonga. Let me show you. Let me show you. I'm talking about Siyabonga Nkosi.
Wait, I could email you. Can I do it? Busy, ne?
Oh my God, good email.
I don't know.
Do you have an email? Are you expecting something?
Motho o valile email tse ngata ke dikolo.
Kagiso mang? No, nga se fitse. Kagiso mang? Sorotla.
Seroka.
Lerutla.
Leroka.
Yeah, Lerutla.
Yeah, I think it's familiar bolena.
Okay, so it's two different people.
I think so.
Yeah.
I thought it was
You-
the same person.
Yeah, no, it's not.
No,
Yes,
it's not.
yes. Lerutla ke yo wa nkonyane nkare ba ba bobozitse nyana so.
yeah.
Ntate amara ka re wa memeza. Ntate Lerutla ke le.
Well, you are talking about.
Ka ke bo. Yeah, o kwa rena o yeah.
Yes.
Lerutla ke ntate o memezang. No, let us correct us, ne? So, as keys.
yeah,
There is wa
apparently-
electricity and then hobali aka Lerutla ntate Caroline.
Tate Caroline. Oh, you can't call
Caroline.
it Tate Caroline.
Nya ke le re
Caroline e tlotsang
Caroline,
sefatlhego wa memeza
yes.
wa itse mo dinepeng tsa gagang kere go mo a leng mona mo
Wena wa memeza,
wa bona mo o
o
mo
ya
go bopududunyana ba gore ke ka gare ga
memeza.
mmušara a ja a gobatsa bana
Memeza.
mare o ba tlhokometse mare ga ba utlwisa botlhoko thata
Ka tšhelete tša rena.
you know life at the end of the day life is not fair it will never be fair so lila senze ntoni because into ekhona eyi mara busesisayeni
Jo wena batho ba tsoga ka monke.
busesisayeni wena yo
Hey.
sesisayeni
So lo wakho Eskom wena batho udle malini?
Is 50 million.
Udle nobani?
More than
100
100
million.
Yeah.
uhlele
More
nobani
than.
unomfazi
Like lo muntu
Yeah,
makatshontsha le mali ne ohamba athenga izindlu ebathi yini le gama le
Like he
luxury
invests
Yeah.
houses,
property.
luxury cars.
Yes.
You know, yeah.
Wenza like why
Different
wenza like ba ra ka mangolena na
then he's renting them like when you saying he's buying like the houses what is happening with this house I want to understand this
Iba tsa
He's buying
high.
properties ibatsa
so he's just buying properties for him to just own them
and
hey properties sort of investment how can rekisa if
hence
you
I'm
rekile ka
saying
million, you can sell it
I
for a
wanted to know
million.
that or is he investing is he selling renting
and ka etsega gore a ka reka ka tšhelete ya Eskom ya company.
obvious
He's
uyithatha le mali
investing-
ukuthenga
he's
i-luxury property
investing in cars and properties
Mhm.
and apartments and
Yeah, yeah.
whatever. So like the money that is still coming out of there, it's his money. So he has like a lot of
why are you
money.
saying his money his
How?
money from where
from Eskom
isn't it that now they just said
From
Lena-
Eskom.
Maseka tshontshile ngithi his man.
ha
yeah oh my god
He's a
okay
millionaire. Okay.
you know guys South Africa is so busy to a point that did you see when they're busy in parliament obviously because they're not taking each other to court right when they're busy investigating each other asking each other questions there interrogating each other there go to court do you see or whatever that they're using to wipe their face
o bone ya
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 sticker.
ya ba re ke mang na ya mkhwanazi ya chile
that's when I asked myself for mkhonazi yini engako
Ushubela,
tata
bona.
tissue yamnxiba ke wathi wasulethe handi indawo and kabona sayifeel ke bona gore South Africa kubima whatever that we complaining about right now Shem, let me tell you something, it's not even gonna be resolved now. Amadoda ajuluka angathi abone bo bayajuluka elimotishu
bayeka ba bangata le bo maisole bayeka le ko bona me ba re tse
mara guys Shebe
Vietnam is coming.
guys Shebe's back.
ke bona ka re ba re
Shebe's back.
Yes, Shebe's back.
ke bona ka re ba re a right
Shebe, I'm not proud about him, man. I'm not happy with him. He's just like
Mike wena le bala Mike
He's just what?
putting his girlfriend through the most.
a re sa o ko
We can't hear you. Kiss it. Yeah.
prop up
Oh, kiss it.
se ya stulo se bethele botla se re le botele le re gi
Le tlolo thuthumela bana ba ba shake lena.
cause 1 minute o bolela so 1 minute o right 1 minute o sale right 1 minute
Nka re
o
tla
right
mmile tša makhura. Ngwana wa thuthumela.
speak
Can you hear me
again
now?
Say again, yeah, we can now.
So I was talking about Shebene,
Yeah.
saying that I'm not happy about him, man. They just like had a baby and then he had to go to prison and
He was there before the baby was good.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
the thing. So now the poor girl has to raise the baby and go to court cases for fun. It's not nice, man. It's
Yeah,
not nice.
we all not happy with whatever that he's doing, the decisions that he's taking, and
Avele mina I'm not a fan of Shebe.
fix your
Yeah.
face. But it's fine.
But
you-
he's not a
your
fan.
face?
but
But
he
he's
needs to
not a
fix his.
fan.
Like I'm not a fan. Why are you like that?
No, like very
Yeah.
like yo.
You're just not
Aka
fitting in.
inspiring an ex.
cheka wena man mara angithi
Ay.
manje she bathini he's out due on bathini medication condition
Yeah.
so awumfilele nobuhlungu ukuthi
Ah,
ifika yakhe ayisebenzi kahle
No, angizange ngathi angimfilele ubuhlungu.
Eh.
Uthi I'm not a fan
mara
of
the
Shebe.
way ubuso bakho bokungakhona
No,
ne
inkinga
Okay.
naye.
Yeah,
Yes.
everyone. Yeah, it makes sense if
Ngiyamfil-
he's not the fan.
Yeah,
because
but
he
ngiyamfilela ubuhlungu.
he has his own
yabona.
people, and no one like not all of us. As I was saying, Shebe Mafbena, one of the best telecompo artists, is back, and one of the best, the queenest of the most queenest in the queeners, who's been in hospital. Like you remember, guys, she had this tragic accident whereby she lost friends. She couldn't even attend their burials since October 2020. Since October 2025. 21st October. Yeah, 21st October. I will never forget that day, you know.
wa marata e courage man
Oh, shout.
tseba le date
Yes. You know, it was very hard. Ikai yona.
Tish.
Ikai.
Le nna ke tshwere ke flu.
Mara o tshwere hempe e tlo. Embe.
Oh no.
yo sola le starch
Ga ke re raise na le ba telela ka rasa. So my baby girl Karishma, she won 2. Guys, she's been nominated twice. And then she won
Twice.
all of them. You know, Kuri.
Yes.
Like I am so excited. I'm proud of her. I always say I love celebrities. You know, at first I used to be that chick who be like, why mama nga tlhokofetse these people be posting celebrities and acting as if they know them. You understand? I felt like they're crazy. And as time this little one came out of nowhere. Ngwano ba re ke Karishma, guys. She came in. I'm telling you, Shem. Yo, ngwano wa ntlhokoloza.
yeah
Now that she won, guys, and then I had to go out and celebrate.
oh I saw you
Yeah, I had to go out and celebrate the win because you know,
Wow.
winner guys, you guys,
Because
you
you
know,
all
like,
won.
let's get style and fun.
Yeah.
So where I was, they're not even playing any of her music. So njela lo mfana lo, I always say, hi girls. My name is Justin Lady D Umtomfana. To those who follow me on my TikTok, they know me. I call
Yeah.
myself Umtomfana. So ndihambe nomfana. Aish guys, umfana. Erifihla kwa. Ago lili jazz. Ago lili R&B. Ago lili Karishma. So ke re mo mfana ke re no, cause mo isa le nako ke mabo.
Yeah.
Ithi masendlini. Awuna mo re ka se tlhoke mo baka le jang le kompo guys.
Oh no.
Today ke Saturday, a nkere team tse di golo di ba page. Di antshana nkane.
Yes.
So o ne le batho ba le re ba sa celebrate. Awuna mo ho le mo re ka yang guys. Re tlo fitla ra kra.
second location
Kong. Awu around mo ya.
so mono di teng ne ba le shaka
no go dinyonyane
jazz
nothing
Sounds of nature.
classic sound you can't just hear them anywhere you need to
Sounds
go
of nature ayikho la ikasi la. La uzabantwana.
lebo ngitshela kabi ucela ngathi waqeda kabi ngeke mola boy
Washita kamoya kwa fed.
yeah wabona ghost ujwa
Yeah.
no better something like that
Yeah.
yo guys lento siyibona ni like aniboni ughost uyaghosta namhlanje she's a real ghost
Hey.
what the fuck nigga
Hey.
tla kutlole molomo kganti wa le fitla dilo wale le somara anyway guys how has been a long weekend so far long weekend tell
Uzulu kuthi waya late ngithi.
yes now I even said it
Yeah.
or guys I think I'm going to have
Display
fun
charisma.
charisma Congrats, my girl.
Back to Lerutla. Lerutla has been arrested not only for imali la I scammed, but for a murder allegedly.
How?
Le yenzeka le 2021.
Yeka ba?
Beka ku N12. Engathi waba ne accident, then I hire a truck, a tow truck. Yazothatha lo muntu lo ya ba disappear isidumbu before amaphoyisa afika.
Afika. So bona
Allegedly.
bamthole kanjani ukuthi uye if ukwazi ukucima yonke lento le before amaphoyisa afika?
Amaphoyisa azi umsebenzi wabo, yabo.
Oh.
Yeah, investigator ambamba yena nomkhwanazo yabo.
Abantu bayaphuma nabo bathu bani lo waka Kaizer Popi Mutawung naye uphumile kulento lokuya kumadlanga commission ukuthi nayo allegedly ubhadala umuntu bamabakha imbombela stadium eMpumalanga kushone umuntu lapha and then angazi maybe fault yakhe and then ukuza disappear le case le ubhadala detective 5 million so le mali lezi iphumile kule statement salomuntu la umsendele imali so naye bayivusa le case le ya
Mara lo 5 million usile lo ngcono lo 10,000
guys bari ongwana sile
10,000 kaba number engakhiphi iqiniso ungipha 10,000 for kunyamalala
10,000 for kunyamalisa isidumbu cabanga impilo yomuntu wethe 10,000 mara watsaba
mara ngiyadlala ngingakondemu i-crime
hayibo but muthu oseniputhu udangerous mara malumi lina
yo
but guys
I 2026 years shema ke memehlolo ya
you know mara guys we are living in South Africa aka SA
Hey,
United
hey,
States of
hey.
America
Yeah, straight.
because everything that we've been reading kabo PDD everything that we've been seeing what kabo mama it's the same thing guys
Hey.
this truth be told lefasi lia bufelo and I didn't want to be here lefasi lefela tsaba guys ne ke nna ka letla fela na tshikitikeji le godimo nka
Ah, re
peace
ka no va
ke le happy
we ka no vaisha
true ndiyawoyika man there's a lot that is happening everything doesn't make sense anymore we just hate each other for no reasons uyavuka nje uya jiki boyfriend ibulele muthu jiki muthu ubulele boyfriend jiki di uber driver di tsibe mo di rishang mara ke di uber driver
wena
jiki bona ba di killer
hey usabulela ka
Ka mehlolo.
driver ba bo my friend aba tsibinto ba rekisang mara ba rekisa qhubeka
yes ke makaka guys no bo my friend go di khotila ba tsiba ha ona my friend o tsa makhoto o tshwana le bo my friend ba mo rena mo and there's nothing
good quoting.
I was at Limpopo remember I went
Yeah.
home for a leave
yeah
I had to do some things guys awa o ka se kopane le lukula sola ko court and then you will find them ko khoneng nyana so is them at their own corner together with their lawyers and then you will see they don't have that long conversation no their dialogue it's not that dialogue
Ow.
it's a kota ke o tla di ya marangere
o feletse o la le
ke a go bera we butcher why do you have two lawyers now you don't even understand or is this one standing for that one now that you said you have money but one thing I can tell you shem le fa se la rena le cheriki zaga even Ethiopians they own us Ethiopians I'm sorry to say Ethiopians because at first we used to say ke makula shemu bana ke bo my friend fela yo bo my friend these days they're dangerous hence
batho le khale ba le dangerous
Ne-
ba re sa ba bone ya
yes hence
Kgale
with
ba phela le
David ba ba
dangerous.
change every day David a thomo tlhale fa ba bona re wena nka re o tlo thomo tjola le opa ba misha
Oh,
somewhere
misha kai kai ne
phela ba se bule sephaza wena no as a South African
re sa bolela ka mekholo you guys le bone mekholo e diregetseng ko Limpopo
yang
e le gore
What
batho ne ba le ko funeraleng and then ba jileng I think ba jile poison cause ba re 6 issue and then 70 of them ba go hospital.
What?
Hey,
le gole go kae Limpopo kae
ga ba re ke ga maja ke wa le go le yona place ga maja ba jile ga maja
ba ja kudu
ba re ke ga maja mmotong wa le ka kwa iteng kwa wa kwa mama bitso a marata saiba
no I wait
ga maja
hey see feel story
lena
wena
ga maja
a iso teng gore batho ba ka nana o bolaya motho go le hunga na no faka ba re ke poison le go ka ofela.
Who did that? Who can do that? Who's capable of doing that, Ramaja?
Video.
Scores of mourners gathered to attend a funeral service at one of the households in the Khamaja area in Limpopo. They were served food prepared in the backyard.
Khamaja area in Limpopo.
It is suspected that the food was laced with poison.
Those who were admitted since yesterday and Sunday in the evening, they are around 74 people. And then 6 people died. Yes. 2 are from here at Ramaja, 1 from Ramashashani, and 3 from Seshego.
Community leaders immediately sounded the alarm after more than 70 people started experiencing symptoms, including diarrhea, headaches, and vomiting. They called a community meeting as some people were in a critical condition. Some patients have been discharged while others are still receiving treatment.
I went to the funeral on Saturday. When I came back, I had some mild stomach cramps. Then yesterday, it happens that the stomach cramps were getting worse. Then I went to the hospital, and the symptoms that I was experiencing, it was headache, diarrhea, and stomach cramps.
The family, which had a funeral over the weekend, is calling on authorities to investigate the incident. It suspects the food was laced.
nakhona
uyanyo phethwe ikhanda
Ko funeraleng.
emngcwabeni
nakhona don't forget emngcwabeni akupheki umuntu oyi-1.
Hey,
hence I'm saying it doesn't make sense in
but another thing ne I so think ngayo.
it's so scary though guys, it's not nice.
Party kunenye igwamu futhi asengithi kwenzeka imihloko le 2026 le kuzivela ezinye izinto thina sizazi.
Bathe
Bathi la mabhodo asilver lawo esipheka ngawo.
yeah
Allegedly angazi bathi na I thought already bhodo tshela tja 3 foot ne ba direka le silver and then just because of the kwamollo di cina di le black but ba bolela ba rona le tse black ona le tse silver. So ba re tsela tse silver tse ba di dirang tsela di ke tsona di loreng di na le ba dira ka dilo tse di different. Ba di dira ka di engine parts, di gear parts, ba mixa ba di yona jona di pitcha tseo.
Ke tsone tse di bolang batho mara
di containers ba re viruses ona ma we just a o salo monyane you can even ba re keng e bola e popelo yao. So maybe le bona ba pele ka jona di pitcha tse di silver.
because now I mean if they're saying a whole 70 something people that's still hospitalized and then there were 6 people who had died. Remember, even when we go to the funeral, there's certain things that I tend to be like, no, I don't eat this, I don't eat this, I don't. So all of them they ate because the same thing.
Sure.
Because now we are not even sure if the poison comes from the meat.
but
Or-
le it doesn't I think ukuthi ila egoli ukuthi I don't eat this
Oy.
kudliwa konke
Bheka, you know, yazi Nkosi nikhuluma yazi emakhaya kunjani?
Emakhaya how I know
Kunalabo ukuthi badlele esenkeni, kunalabo ukuthi bayefoli line. Uyangithola
And
kunalabo
kunalaba-
foli line uyakhetha ukuthi udla chicken or
so manje ngesibiza ukuthi shi ibeef
wayibona. Dala samba mawugcoka ishete kanje awa una experience yamafu.
khanti nepile gempi ke ma goma wele da lena wena batho khona go le gempe mara e bona le everything is wakala good.
Sure.
Everything is wakala good. Can you hear it or is me?
Hayi, na ke yiko.
Okay, if you can hear it's fine. I hope I'm not in a dead
no
shit.
I know why
Oh, set it, go, set it, cat. Let's see, bata. I want more of it. Yeah, that's what she wants to say right now. I heard him like, oh, you're going to tiliki. This is my natural hair.
Yo.
Shoot me. Izandla didn't bulali.
Go fight with your mama.
I know there's this other one where Kreli Suani. Yo shall I get events here? Look a skull. Ubizur una manga. Okay, no like in. This is my natural hair.
Yo.
Yeah.
Colo ngipha amanothi nami ngifuna ukuthi uzenza kanje.
Angiphiya khona.
But you get in there.
Huh?
You get in there. You know what's your problem with your hair, ne? Your hair will never look mine. You know why? The problem with your hair, you come and then you.
Fuck step one.
Don't do that. Just come with and let it be. Don't bamatiza it.
Oh.
Don't flex it.
Inkinga bathi iyabona facial yami bathi ngathi ngunya upesi yabo.
Bakugela umona.
Ale ya singiyenza kanjani?
Unyopesa nwakhe bambona apho
Unyopesa ushayina kanje. Wapara wachi.
Ngishaba sheta kanje ngose.
Akuna le wenye ushayesha nanyakwazi kumasheta.
Even your skin is nice. Awuna mthotho nolwele shem. Isihluthu sakho ngithanda ngesihluthu sakho.
Phela kule production le. Sazokhipha imali ngale skin sakho if you don't know.
If you don't know, you're sorry now. Yes. And see, I love isihluthu sakho. Uyasithanda libile asideserve kubizwa isihluthu.
Yeah.
I don't know if we can come up with a name for his hair because I don't think we can say isihluthu.
Umhluzu.
Because.
Awudelela bazulu manje yabona.
Oh.
Bathu balirina, bathu bale munhu. Guys sorry.
Akirine ke.
Ukudla kweni everyday saqolisa bandla. Ngingathini kodwa but we need to find a pretty name for this pretty hair. Come closer. Oh Lord, heavenly Father. Eh?
You are fine.
Ohlwayo.
Mwana.
Yeah, yeah, I think that's what you do. Yeah, I know my pretty hair is pretty nice. It's pretty beautiful. So, brother, do we have any houses this time around? Because you know I'm asking me. I have people who want some
houses.
And I said my boy would like.
Yes, and I do have it, Mara. No, okay, stop advertiser because of I get editor skorokoro. So yes. Or when I know ngana editor kafaka the video, Mara the picture the inzima because they are German. I don't know. I do understand you. Hence, I'm coming with something. It's like a plan. Listen to me. Listen. Yes. Happy Ghost. You're listening, right?
Listening.
Boy, you've got my back, right?
Yes.
As usual, I know you.
Yeah.
Kabira, what's that ring?
Yeah.
Go son.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, you are going to Johannesburg, right? Mulamo Small Street.
Yeah.
You get him some things, man. I know you got legit. This is your things. Get him some dirty clothes, and what. He is an actress. He needs to get us money with what he's good at. Wait. I'm still talking. I want you to get him something. Yes, Koti.
Yeah.
And I don't know which shape, which that he will choose if ever Odlor or Odlar or what. But we need to make money. And you cannot. We cannot have such laptops whereas we have such things. And then you. Obe pastor bula kreke yele
hallelujah
matswelela gago a ntshekwa o di se go tsa tšhelete o tlo bula kreke ke a o tshepa bula kreke monelo wa rena it's worth it
I receive.
Thank you.
Do you? Yes we do.
Ghost.
Do you? Yes we do.
Goes to right. Guys, there's a lot happening today. There's a lot happening. Man, yeah, ke goes to. Kunzima kuyahlohlola. I think maybe it's because she's sober. She didn't drink anything today. And she's a lazy bitch. She's been home apparently. So allegedly she's been doing work and I'm not sure. Hence I'm saying that today. You know that these lazy people.
Long weekend. So I start crapanyana something.
Ayi, wabantu baswafayo. Baphonga ukuthi awashe. Abona ukuthi vele bambuleli. So some people that are always excited when they're going to work. Don't you have such people in your family? Whereby umuntu akhona prefer ukuyemsebenzini than endlini because they are lazy to do.
Ko family nyayi ke nawo.
I'm not that.
Yeah. Hi, bro. You one of those people. Yeah, there's some people. Even when they're off, a person will come to work and be like, "What's Minekaya?" And we're like, what the fuck, nigga?
God.
Uyajema.
What's
Ukhuluma
happening?
ngama-paragraph.
What's
I had a
happening?
long day and I'm
Absolutely.
so tired.
Yeah.
That's just it. It's not a matter of laziness or
Yeah, yeah,
yeah. You don't have to get it. You know.
yeah.
You have to experience
With
it to get
everything
it.
that she's doing, we don't have to get it. She's never on time. We don't have to get it. So it's fine.
She never do her laundry. We
We
don't,
don't have to get it. She never reply or communicate, but we don't have to get it.
She never applies her lotion on her face.
Face, but we don't have to get it. She's a
it.
ghost. She's a happy ghost. As long as she's happy, it's fine. We don't have to get it.
She's a happy ghost to the prettiest ghost.
Yeah.
Yeah, with the ghost face. You don't
Yeah.
have to get it. It's fine, baby. It's fine. But anyways, guys, now I've been missing you so much, and I feel so jealous when I'm not here because you guys tend to be close to each other, and I live happy.
How what happy no?
La pretend lena. Kore motho sentse a le
Oh, are close to
She's
each
just
other.
jealous.
Can you go
She's
understand?
just
Are you close
jealous.
to each other?
She's just jealous.
Ababe jealous.
No, aye,
When we are close to
aye,
each other,
aye.
close to each other, you are.
E simple. Re tsile advice or re tshwantse re be free re connect yabo so re connectile.
U connected na mo ngang tselang mina.
I hear it. I said it not coming. Okay, I'm about to walk him and but you don't do that with him. Who guys? Oh, I want to cough. Whoa.
And it's a dangerous one.
Okay, 5.
Okay, give you.
No, that was better. That was better.
Give you
That
a
was
chance.
yeah. Yeah, because you're good.
Engathi nimele experiment or nimele bomb ukuthi ichume.
Yeah, she can do as yeah.
Igwa. Oh, you never know.
Bismillah bomb.
You know, we have certain fevers. Hence, I'm saying this one, it's not even a fever. It's
Maybe
corona.
it's anxiety. Anxiety comes in different ways.
You giving me the
Yeah, so
Anxiety.
Yeah.
Keeping shaking me. Feeling quietly.
so something no jedi de barking the week leave. Le no do la le
No,
ngae
it's
ga
not
mashashane.
anxiety.
Ga
Yo.
kwa ga mphakele kwa.
Rona re ka re for a you
Eish,
now
go
love
bolela.
to go home for a week. I love home, like I love everything about home. Monkgo wa gae. I want to be
Eh, go re
And-
kwa o be le
No,
mapedi a
it's so
geno
quiet.
sometimes.
it's so
a bona.
nice. I want to motho tlo nka
Problem
go
ke
dula.
mebereko ga ya le gona ka re mebereko gone no mela gana mo. Henge di henge tshiki ka o ba hae le gona kwa ba.
With me, it's like that all the time. Yes, when I'm home,
true.
it's we don't have that enough time, and then you have that thing of you looking at your kids and you're like, now I'm here. I don't want them to do anything, and then now we did up expense. Remember, they're giving us a leave so that we can relax. That's when I saw we will never relax.
Exactly.
More fasting, guys, we were just born to work. If you are going to school right now, you hate waking up in the morning. Don't give birth. Ungayenza abantwana
How?
ube yini into ozoba yiyo, because now you're not gonna take care of anyone. But if you have kids, usazovuka sivuka noma singafuni
Pete
kwehla,
sale.
no mara guys nna nkara ke sa lekwa no
Ha o sa rekwa. Ga no ne o diragalang ka
no I think I will never you know why yeah
wa futhi volume mo. Ke pe-
serious nna gape ye nna ka levitse ke nna ra isive nna ke nne ra isive nta ke levitse ke a fola yana eno ya mehlolo nna le ke a iputsa go nna ra isive oh my god I didn't see this one coming
O pay le pete matime. Hey, let me send this on the group.
please send it on a group so that we can see what's happening, what's cooking. I am busy.
Mara wena matime yo ngayivuli kuqala mayivuli o D.
Let me see what's
Because
happening.
wena imakancane.
Ngiyasebenza,
why-
ngiyasebenza.
Umuntu uzothi yamazi ngingenile le.
Nyamazi.
Wena yi.
Let's see. Guys, this display ra le surprise ka dilo tse dintsi. Re dira ka bomo whatever that you're doing ne.
Ha wona phone o timile. Wona o ka rona le
Mahlatsing.
Look out for a man who robbed a store. And I think we do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description.
Hayi.
Wena motho ke re wa mo tseba.
Hayi.
Okay.
South Africa. South Africa.
Go boba.
Eh.
This just in, police officers in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, were asking people to be on the lookout for a man who robbed a store. And I think we do have his description. Can we take that? Let's take his description.
Uyenzeni?
Wenzeni sibhala ngalela mashete lawo.
Nathi kanne.
Ngalela mashete.
Enokwazi nokujambisa utshontsha manje soyahamba uthenga amashete ambashile. Uyenzeni?
Yeah, yazi why ngithuke ngifuna ukuyibona le ngibone la emaspexini kanene ukuthi kuzokubabi balapha what's going on?
Hayibo. Mara mawutshontshile omuhle. Yazi letho mele sibanifuna ngazo mantshontsile ndizi nice. Zi nice. Wanyekiwa xikongodela uropile supermarket.
Nah.
Esinsopo supermarket.
Imagine.
No.
We're not even going to be mad at him. We're not even going to ask him any questions. We understand that he's suffering from.
Mashete lawo.
I'm wanted for. I'm casted for a role, yabona. So that's why I'm wanted.
Oh, irole le.
Oh.
Ama news wase movie.
You know, like ngekuma audition kuma news, so I'm casted ukuthi ngiyoba presenter lapha.
But why are you on the screen?
Presenter kanjani?
Why are you on the screen?
Bayang advertiser ngithi ngiye.
Bakufuna.
Ngibangifuna ngenzeni mina
No, bathi tshentshile market asasi
market.
In a supermarket.
Le supermarket
There is nothing annoying. Hence I'm saying we don't even why am I saying annoying? It's
ngiyadlala
not
customer
annoying.
for irole le and ngitshontsha mina ngitshontsheleni mina.
Supermarket. Kyadi kwathi mukule inkisela. Thobela usamaleke supermarket. Go supermarket. Imagine shikongorela.
What is that? What's that?
Kongorea.
Don't do that.
Claramus.
Yo, hey.
Clarmusa.
No, like nakhona
When is your birthday?
5 November.
Oh Lord, I love it for myself. When is your
Kapini pen.
30 September.
Ooh, it's nice, ne? Everyone is far from everything.
And the birthday yaka I'm thinking to host something.
Halloween party.
Why Halloween?
Halloween.
Why Halloween?
Happy Ghost.
Cause Giddy 5, keep penny.
Penny, duh.
We are not No, this is South Africa, mama.
Oh, miriri. Hempe. Meaparwe. Khane mfano beleke ka Halloween.
Thank you.
Okay, labo.
No.
Penny.
Wana mitlema over wa baba padisa khatiko. They shona leshi. So what's your plan?
Yeah.
You want us to do what?
Birthday ke yetse in a form of art wabona.
Yeah.
Yes, form of art. Drama, poetry, music, dance, art.
I'm still lost. Guys, let's go to I do my tsamai. It's low. Ngondo ye. What? Impuche ba or hosta ingi.
Birthday party.
Kokai.
Theme is just
Robert
art
MC.
and culture.
Anya karebe MC.
Oh, theme is art and culture.
Yes.
Theme is art and culture. Theme. Okay.
So basically music, drama, fashion, anything creative, man. Anything.
Yes.
Anything.
I'm not saying anything. Why is it always like if I don't understand what the fuck you guys are saying? Or if all the time with fucking no, the fact that you're fucking explaining and you can all see that I don't fucking care because now I'm fucking lost with the fucking everything. And all the time when I am fucking lost, you guys together with the fucking people who are always nagging on me being lost, because no, I don't understand. When you go host something, thing art.
He's hosting a birthday.
Ke nyako le bontsha lena ka di 5 November.
Miss Dawson,
Yes, baby.
Apologies. Skarkwatela.
Thank you. I just hate it when sometimes you guys have to make me feel some
So
type
I
of way.
understand that, no.
Oh, wala like you understand. That's why
Oh.
le tlampona
Ba
ka.
kre nka bore bontsela save naka hore ya ke le kwešišitše.
Alekwe. Abe comment ba foster njengani guys. No man bona umuntu uhlahla amehlo. Ni logo ni bis. Omunye as no. Basically, what the fuck? You know the moment she starts saying basically know that this one will never end.
So Mfethu, you have to
Yeah,
plan
if
that
you-
starting from now.
Yeah.
You wanna do
Yeah.
something like that. You have to planning starting from now.
Yeah.
Where are you gonna do it?
I was planning to do it like ekhaya yabona, but yazi abazali bacabanga kanjani. Okay, ngeke ngiyibeke kanjalo ne. Ngiyenza ekhaya or eholweni ethu.
Hey, ngwana to remind me shaka birthday.
But I so think ukuthi
Ba ne ba frojara monna.
eholweni it will be the best. You know why? Because of abantu abazozala phat, they will be knowing ukuthi bazela i-drama, bazela i-art, whatever they will be coming for.
Yeah.
Rather than ukuhosta ikasi, abanye bazoba bazela for ukuzophuza, ukuzobhema ama-happily wabo.
Bazohlupha abana
Bazo-
abangeke
into-
disturb
I think into
others.
abazali bayisabelayo leyo.
Yes.
So think bona
And imagine now they're busy doing their drama, and you know how parents are so dramatic. Ngapha kunomunye uyaqala uyakhala, "Ah, Moses wami ungishiye lady." Then you
Washibona.
know ama-drama wena
Abanye
hlezi ngikhalela
bayalwa.
amadoda. Uyabona labantwana these days they don't teach us anything. Bafana nalazinto esizibheka ema-TV. So
Oh.
nabo lama-drama wenu uthola abanye bayalalana. Oh, maybe kule drama yenu kune
mara ke drama mos.
Go to theater.
What do you expect?
Oh, theater ke mobile and then the moment they can,
Family-
the moment ba fitla mo di-screening abasalena. Because I believe like now South Africans ba ditira ma-Americans in everything. All the yeah, no ba tšere lepona ba lebeile pele in each and everything that they're doing, guys. Like re thomile re oh the way. Hey no, a se ka se rope, a se ka se rope.
E ke eng e nngwe ke adulting.
Le ke
Ke
bontate ba le.
fetal seduction.
Le bontate ba bangwe so gona le bontate ba bangwe so ba re ke di-sugar daddy ba re ke ba kupi ba mazulunyana so le bona
Ke fela eo.
wena a o tsebe South Africa wena se vevula
But
motete moteteng
If wa tseya nako ya hao wa shebella botse, you can learn something. You say shebella in a vision of or
Sex.
criticize.
ya e tshwana le ka shebe go ka tseya nako ya gago o mo sheba hantle o sa mo shebe in a vision of ntho tse a di entseng gore motho ha etse diphoso mara wa mo sheba hantle.
o na le diphoso nna shebeshitane like
Ai.
a se phoso nto e
Wa mo rata shebeshite ne?
No, re bua ka go fa batho di-chance ntse ko ba le nna ke buile gore ntho tse ke di buileng I'm
No.
talking dintho tse le gore ke nnete ke re these days ba ntsha ntwe
Okay, Miss
Straight.
Miss Dawson.
what did you even know bana wa tseba le no that's why these days I'm so excited that now they
Mara
say you
does
must
not say there is a difference between porn and TV series. They can't show you straight.
bona he be re sa lebelela ditori ka nako ja borena the moment we were saying motho o ntšhitše seqepe if you all know mponeng helele hae mponeng
hae,
pontsho
ngwaneso,
yes
Mponeng.
pontsho o re wear her dresses the moment re motho a pere seqepe ne tle botše le re bone mponeng ha tlo dira lo tše le tša tša o qhomisitša ba le ba ko next door ba hae ka roko ya hae o tlamo o bona this thing tša bo makoko. Tell me why now you are looking at a series. I can't like a series, and now we are saying we used to check the parental guardian is advised. Now we have Netflix. Your child, we bought them the phones that we're saying we want them to understand and we want to reach them what don't. They have everything now. Everything is close to them. Then now technology said what we must have parents block or don't. Did you sana? No more block. No more uka block wa dirang. As long as ngwana ana le phone yela. Le ponela ka mo South Africa ke le lentši kore ditori kaofela guys di ngazenze ngathanazi these days we
No, we know that, but what's about the barking? As much as Ushore in the SNV, what it means they are targeting those adult people. That's why I told my 18 plus. You understand? Gore the movie even sex scene it may happen. What if such a sex scene and then Sky Fagas sex scene just because of the movies that South Africa got fell in the sex scene?
we used to have movies just South Africa during a lady set scene which they used to make sense. What I'm saying is now South Africa is nice at all good TV. Hence now everyone now check it from now. Rogoji, we were kids and we had our parents friends who were very rich as our parents were never rich, which the kids had the DSTV, and there were Cocomelons before, or certain names, certain activities, shows, cartoons, activities that they were happening. Kana kujarena, we had rich kids, ne? No tlo ba bana ba rich kids le dlala lena ko strategy everything hola Dragon Posy TV was safe. Re tlo lebela di Yo TV. Le generation you know they hardly but they will it's ngore na pele ne ba kukana mala mo ditafoleng ba dire no
on Sunday no na lo Emmanuel ko ETV.
Yes, I'm going there and honale
go episode notes and Fandam were also wrote so that the way you were speaking.
Listen to me. I said generation. I think they know it. I said generation. It was 8 o'clock activity. It was an 8 o'clock soap whereby they were even afraid of showing us the cloth badukre baba like ke mosadi wa me wa le go bela kisinyana tshela tsa khale tsa bonkushin tsa bo mama. No generation ya no. Our kids, they saw everything from Jonadi generation. It was a generation in a making sense. So no generation can need it's a generation. Because
I understand. Not all the series become series still raw. Sexy. They will check and then they will just make it basic by sex and then by kosher bonasing. Osana lini mbini matejans teja abai just raw bantu barbonsi batobela they just kiss and then
you are all like inyimba it's a story that they still acting ba believer basa actor ka South African ka setjo sa bo rena no we have normalized hence I said I'm saying lately most South Africa we have series that they have normalized life yako America rena re putjwa mapona pona ne re a bona gantshi ko. You said who? Fandam Emmanuel. But you know pona arasa bona ko Emmanuel le Fandam. Mapona shitwa bona ko I'm sorry to mention your name bu khabo ba bu rena mama like bu khanyi. I know they are acting. Yes, and it was fine cuz yes cuz they are acting. Now we know that they are acting. At least we used to have the wife in Nelly series ama thome e ne re di ntelo re be like and
before the wife on series that Leona is very raw that series.
Then hence I'm saying now I want you to understand why was I complaining. Even the timing 8 o'clock now banashi ba khona bona mama ngurudi yangi le mama go ngwana le bila o mo rape le re mona itjwa madi ka kamreng. Why understand? Kana ko jarena ne re tseba rape ba re ruta yone in such a thing ya hore o mo rape le ngwana are no shitjo khona bona malume mama ka 8 o'clock rena they were protecting. I can say we were protected because na kana go yaka TV ne le gona aka go la kisokola. We used to have the Popeye leading, but we had time to play. Lebo kukware they had their own TV their phones together with our mothers, but no kasuke each and every parent every day they go gi Cocomelon because now we are providing we prevent abana ba le gore ba die ba ska lebella TV because re chaba eng tlof. That's why no bana ba bantse ba bola but it's take it to me to se ba bola like the cartoon no. Every kids now they are slow because of angry ba lebella everything e di alang ki Cocomelon. How to more take the I took it because take lemela I took it or I took it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but remember my lady ukuthi maba producer le whatever they are producing by producer ukuthola something yabona so ngaleso sikhathi sakho into beyi dominate or beyi trend ngaleso sikhathi
so manje ukutrenda amapona
into eselayo manje eyenza ukuthi imali ingene manje
but why now we can see hence now you said they are like isono we want to know people are checking
everyone's gonna be raw.
Yes, since I'm saying people are still checking now for Nasham I just wish that we can go back to letting us be safe with our kids more TV like our parents before. Now how shile ngwana ko ntlong ke ntelo oh let me block that remote while I'm still here. Rena batsodi ba rena ne ba shale di TV they were not worried until Emmanuel from America. No she journally Emmanuel come South Africa wena motho wa mfonela
na ke remember if we press check ka
like yo
but vele abantwana bakomelanga
ngathi motho abantwana ubheka uGhost uporeyile
ukhathele but yathina ngesikhathi sethu bebathi masihlupa abantu abadala mabakhuluma our parents will say zama lebela TV kwa want this step for now utloba like
zama ufunda kwa
zama babhala yaka kamre
because no barking
mapona na le gona but na le gona ka 12 ene le tja go ntle
yeah Dynamite Thief Group dudes wa tseba re sheba tsona
tsona je hence kiri I know you guys are saying they're selling but they used to survive no ai bana ba rena ba
so
pona pona
everything now is actually what they're saying is everything now is exposed.
yeah and to a point or now when our kids are starting to act in some type of way when now you can obviously there's no parent who want their child to be out of line. I'm a parent who's teaching my child or are in order, but not all of kids will listen to us or do what we wish them to do because we didn't do what our parents wished us to do. You understand? And then when I had to my judging again, they forget to no from the TV and everything. But to blame you mother about like mama I almost feel allowance here. Phone. Kuri manje senzeni i-TV ke mapona i-phone
le ko di-TV una le di-cartoon ba di etseditse ba espedisa mme baze bawenzele abantwana ama-cartoon bawabukela ama-cartoon abantwana
hence I'm saying bese wabukela thina ama-cartoon but nana lena kofela ka 5 o'clock re lebetse di-dragon mama e fedile go tlo tsena dilo tse di-sharp tsa make sense.
Bold and beautiful days of our life.
ufunda skatbad
No, now we are telling you our parents were safe. So our parents were very safe. They were umzali beka free ukuthi use TV bongana lento ukuthi manje more all ka TV utsho utla kra lebeletse mojo la vela ke mang wa di tsiba di TV activities tse di sa making sense kuri ngwana every day swara TV so no that's why ngwana mongwe mo eli Cocomelon. That's we love Cocomelon. Cocomelon is saving our kids. It's caregiving our kids.
As we see, our culture is evolving, technology is growing every day. As everything is exposed now, you have to evolve somehow or because we can't compare no and then expect or expecting no. That's impossible. Because these kids ba evolve on to ba involve the way we lang one or bana no ngwana no wa 5 years tsa tseba go tsena YouTube a direng na bere sa itse binto bere tseba go pressa yes bere tseba gore nto ya o answer ke yes.
No one is saying those kids should they should live like this. No, I'm saying I wish that now the program that now is introduced to our activities, to our TV, especially South Africans. Nkare ba ka di minus even yo kudedi Emmanuel ja bona le bona sintswele na hona le activity e tlena ka 9:30 where there we still have kids who are still activity e tsena ka 8 o'clock mara ba tlofa they should prevent such things. We had Emmanuel not like kana go jarna batswedi ba rena ba sa lebelele thata they had that but there was specific time for them. We have activities tsa mazuguzugu tse le hore no di diragala daylight anytime when I go ETV no ka 9 ka nokwela movongo ngwana shitse a gone change r. No, I'm not saying you will never take me back or I will never leave like how my grandmother did, but what I will always say and I will still stand by this is my grandmother was safe to say to me tsamo lebella TV nna no a tseba kering ya di popaing because ke tseba if you go di popaing o tlo mkra lebeletse ba le bore nna shiri tsebo the bold and beautiful kana go so ke bo bruku ke bona o tlo khisana bruku le ola wa ko mama and ke kiss exactly. So no guys kuri o tlo ke le ngwana le bana ba le balwe TV and kana go jarena ne ba re ba sunana be sitsi bega thina manje say no o bona no ke no motlo kwa motho
yeah
le mabana tso musuna ke kuku mo bona robe tshiri chomi ya gage se yeza ngithini saka xoxela wena manje uthi izolo ulele nomngane kaMapitsi uthabo nangisho lo ulele nomngane kaMapitsi that's why nomntwana ka rena ne ritsolo ngwana wa mimo boyelena ko sipetlela but we used to respect those things. So now when we are saying we should not teach our kids how we used to live, tell me respect. Me as a parent, I'm trying my level best to teach my child respect. Lur atshore phone a choose or lebellang. As I said, we teach them but they will never do what we want them to do. No utisha ngwana ask idea what you wanted to do and then again lead the TV lead the phone jarena they have a favor if I'm taking the phone but I'm tanti
yeah but my lady osalla ka re tshwantse ba educator kere
I'm not even saying they should educate ne wa bona mapona bona maybe they should have time like Emmanuel rena motswadi na ra robetse hey tomato 11 a tsoga tsebore ba ba tlonya go bona Emmanuel ba ka lebele o TV ya di TV gona le nako ka mapona a re ba re bele nako lo tsebore
or la move lawa a rola wa ba wathatha like ba wenzele specific channel yawo kufana nabo bathi Netflix ipatalo ukuze uyibone so I don't think ukuthi umntwana omncane angakwazi uku-afforda i-100 rand ukuthi abhadale Netflix every day.
uya-afforda noma ubhadalelwa huyo umzali.
Manje wona nawe uzobe uzivulala umzali mawubhadala leyo channel wazi ukuthi le channel inani.
Netflix ayenzelwe ama-Showmax kuze abhadaliwe ayenzele nina abantu
abadala.
Netflix is safe. Now Netflix is safe. Iphale yona TV yona ilarner nabasokodi. Netflix is where huna le parental guide whereby you can what block certain channel. Ela ya rina le yenzelwe thina abantu benkosi. Thina singana natokozo. Ku-e.tv sekunomama loyo wanamantsumba loyo odlana nabantwana leya bathi leya show yo nkosi yami
udlana nabantwana
loyo akuleya show yakhe loya kunenye show TV
usho lo mama lo nawo bothi
uRebecca uRips
udade nyokuthakathi udila dlala khona
uthanda ukudlala ubu
ola ke ngifuna le mushi yamrada mina
ola ngiyamzonda ngiyamsaba dewa angakhona la party ngiyamthanda character yakhe. No, like
I've never seen her face to face, but I love her characters.
Sase umntana sadlala kubo 164.
Alright, na make himsaba mama kaSomisi wena ibizo the calling.
Izinto lezi.
Hayibi ibizo beyichusha.
Mama Somisi kira yumsalo bone ho esangomeke.
Phela jalo nechosha yena.
Yena le mama lo ya actor yena.
Yeah, she's the best. And I'm saying
tasayizonda kanje ngithi Miss is the best.
Nakuyamrada
lockdown umbonile le character be.
Ashona lockdown le. Hayi lockdown. Yako e-TV ke ngoso. Hey bana ba.
Uyo gayo i-commissioner inkinga lapha.
Alitojana kamho.
Yes bani.
And angayicedi yazi lockdown yazi.
Alito pharuna nangamho. No. So guys, you know what we are planning ne? Starting from today until amanye malanga aza alandelana, we are just going to be so general. Sithatha ngayo yonke into. Thathani incwadi zenu nepen zenu. It's about to go down. People are about to hate us. And we don't care. Cause already how they hate us. So thatha ngawo. Now. Nezakho. Ulethe zami. Ndiri. Kodwa wabhizi.
Yabenza bomrap.
Kodwa wabhizi is going to be nice. You know, it's about time we know what goes to. Kahle ucumeka ini. And what is it that kunabantu laba bayizonde ngawe? What is it that you want experience esona so ngomuntu kanje we need to. Wabo sifike ku. Sabakhiphe ukuthi azi mina shem ngumama kabantwana I've been giving his energy amazi kunomunye umuntu osenenhliziyo encane ufuna ngibona ngishonile but I'm here. And I love working with these guys there because you know, like guys, working with you is so nice. People are asking ourselves like, where did you guys meet? Asihlali sonke, asihlali ke sile wine, asibonani. Guys, last hlangane khona kula nani nizohlangana khona nathi which is here. You understand? It makes sense. And we're going far. We are growing. Our plan is to grow. Our plan is to get where we're going. Our plan is to reach whatever that we're reaching individually. There's some things that we do and I'm very proud of us guys. Pushing your own thing whereby you have your own fan base. Pushing your own thing. Maura's cleaner, you know, he has his own she's a ghost that she is. One video fella. And I don't understand why she doesn't take her life serious. I'm like, man, but you've got this. At least post our work on your video so that people can just follow us there. At least. Because her fan base is very nice as well. And and they push her.
She posted the video, she send the video more than post.
She doesn't, and she's that kind of person. She's just gonna post a video at and we are growing, Papa. And then I'll post, and I know I'll have a lot of people who are viewing, my enemies. So please keep on viewing, keep on doing everything that you're doing. I am where I am because of you guys, and I love you for that. The kingdom, the power, and the glory forever and ever.
Another thing, we look like something selling a recruiter at that phone. Because my time was Samilo via camera, le trophy.
Oh my God.
Had even reckon. So anything, you cannot pick your hale, Nako Sally, or wakale something else.
Something you love or something.
I'm getting my brushes. Beautiful, pretty girls should get their face done.
Something that you can even represent your work. You can come.
I'm getting my brushes. I want you guys to come to the scene. Hair, flowers, and makeup. You know the problem is the ghost. Yeah, guys, the problem is now, the ghost.
Oh no!
It's a ghost, and she needs the ghost. And now the ghost.
She's exposed.
If now you are bringing our things, you will know who's the ghost, guys. Because of her work.
No, because of her work.
Yeah. They will know her. Moor's
She's
gone.
exposing me.
I will never expose it, but we will make it work. Yeah, I'm definitely going to bring something because I need you guys to come so that I can make you look like a doll. You think you are. Hey, nakiyamukobola mutu. Ndimfuna mbathi. Uyabona njani?
Yeah.
Awukebanga. Andazi bohle kantoni yasilwisa. Uyabona mara njani?
Yeah.
Uyazbo?
Yeah.
Ndingonza my friend David.
When ngiyayazi lento khuluma ngayo noma hleka.
Noma ngahleka ne. Thank you.
And I can show you proof.
Angiri.
Yeah, ukuthi like I believe what you
Angazi
intuition.
Yeah.
Tosini the way ayicale ngakhona.
No, whatever, man.
Kuyakhona ukubola yazibona njani. Shokuthi ugobekile wena. Asivale.
Yeah, but
This guy is like this unothoko every day rinali peace. Onya ko phela ayitaka ka dilo tse di sharp. Tse di snacks.
Kisnacks kushike sibuzo.
Ela tlo mtla full frontal ke Maria ke Mauro
bayenza
Sina.
magic la yabona.
Di wiki tsa khale guys, alna di wiki tsa khale.
No re tlo mtla di wiki tsa gale guys G string.
Sing frontal.
Di potinyana.
G-string.
Yeah, she's
Ay,
yeah. Uncle Morosina apere G string kanti.
Ay, really ra ya pa G-string sa yona.
Le seriously, le ka sesege.
Re ka sebelele no re ke mo chapter camera ya trika. Mina sizomtshela le series le ma sephumile ukuthi besekuphi kule series. Mara labantu abazibe bakule series bayazi ukuthi le shandisi byapi.
G-string.
Hey, wena re le mmereko ngore ngwe.
Ke mmereko re etseng.
These two guys will do anything for money. I believe. What the fuck? G-string. This guy is very difficult. I don't believe le fala ba di wa bere G-string wara.
I love acting with all my heart. The locker ke hle ke apare painter way.
Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guys, we love you.
Before we close,
Yeah.
I would like to say ukuthi rest in peace baba u Kenny Bevula.
Ubani uKenny Bevula?
Lentuzana, the artist, the song artist who died recently. Yeah.
Oh, but to rest in peace.
Yeah.
Le rena rest in peace to our guy, our Jita, sebamncwabile.
Go rest in peace abakina kuphela.
Baswile #baswile mfana. Yeah, rest in peace mfana ka until we meet again.
Nalo mama lo beka actor wangathi rest in peace. Lo beka first South African Miss South Africa wo black batho bana. Mama Thandaza Muvanga.
Mama ngwanula wa mama. Awwa ngapo molo mwangire. Sepedisi re mo just si go tsatsira tsa molo mo botse tsa motho ya mo funda my you understand?
Akhuluma
And mara understand na. Uthi wonke umuntu angisho yenza lento
ngoba ayibulele kamkhoyo bulejere bona lokho understand.
Uyayenza ngoba angisho vele kumele insekile. Yeah, because wayomele ukuthi lo muntu because ayenza kalala. I understand. So le kuwe is because isiyenza kalile. Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah, rest in peace. Rata kamuka or a pusher. Until we meet again. I'm ready today.
Yes, next week, Mafi. To same place, same time, Mafi. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, Mafi. To yas, asivala kanjala, city we
singawina ku competition.
Banganya. Bakati bieberela ke abuja mathaja le magaga ga no dala ona mo. Rena re ka ba bontsha mo bebere ke abuja shemu. Ke dilo jare nazo ze.
Lo muntu uthukana ngesixhosa, ngeSlovenia, ngeSpedi, ngesilungu, usibiza bo motherfucker la ukoti straight.
Ke dilo jaga je ba ntho izona ze zo re kinwa pha kilo ke ka muka. Ya ma.